how to download any Facebook video at all straight to your gallery. So in today's video, I will be teaching you how you can download any Facebook video at all to your gallery. Have you been wondering how you can rewatch all those videos that you are interested on Facebook and you don't want to waste your data? You can as well save that video to your gallery. Make sure you follow me for more tips. Click on the share button and share to your friends and family. So you can as well use this video that you are watching right now as an example to save to your gallery in just 2 minutes. So let's get started.
So firstly, you go to your Play Store, you search for video downloader. See video downloader also shows. You can also use any of these. You can use Facebook video downloader, any of them. Video downloader for Facebook. But the one I'll be using in this video is the first. So I'll be selecting this one. This is what I'll be using in this video because all these ones at the top here, they are all sponsored ad. So I'll be clicking on the first one. So I'll click on update. So the reason why it brings up update is because I have it on my phone already, so I just needed to upgrade it. But if you don't have it on your phone already, you need to download it. So now I click on open. So let's hold on for it to load. So it has a lot of ads. Make sure you're not distracted with the ads. So click on skip and continue. So this is the app. So after downloading it, the second step you have to do is to go to your Facebook. Let's say for example, this is the video I want to download, so I click on it. Then I click on this three dots icon at the top of the screen. This three dots icon. Then scroll down, you see copy link. Then click on copy link. Then the link is copied. So go back to the app that we just downloaded. Can you see I told you it has a lot of adverts? So click on continue to app at the top part of the screen. Click this paste. One you just copied right now. So click on paste. Okay, so click on login to Facebook. So log in with your details. Click on login. So let me pause this video and click and put in my details here. After logging into your Facebook account, then click on paste again. It will direct you to the specific video on Facebook. Can you see now? That is after logging in to your Facebook account. So then click on the app to download the video. Paste the URL Facebook. Then you see this pop-up that tells you to download your video. So I would like to download with this format. You can also decide to download it 540 or 580. So click on this small icon, click on download. So I'm not interested in the ads. Let me click on skip. Can you see it has been downloaded on my phone? Wow, can you see the video is downloaded successfully? So that's just how to download a video from Facebook. So do well to like, follow and share. I will see you in my next video.